Actually, we're done with this one, Srirangapatna. So next we're heading towards Mysore. So first we'll be going to this this one. What is it? Chamundeshwari Hills. After Chamundi, there's one more underwater aquarium. So this is one of the South Indian's biggest aquarium in South India.
Hey, biggest, not biggest, underwater.
So Chamundeshwari Temple. हम जाएंगे Chamundeshwari Temple. Drive slow because of animals. Oh. Multi-car parking, way to parking. Then heavy crowd irangide. So we reached Chamundi Hill, the parking. So this is the parking place. They've made it excellent because last time when I had come, that is way much years back. It was not like this. It was like normal in the roadside you can park and go, but then it created a lot of traffic. But now it is more peaceful. They've done a proper parking space lot and all, so this is more cool. You know the Igidana Gadina. Okay, Togana. Bye bye. Yo, my koita. Okay. So this is the stalls. Look at the rush node. A lot many people are there. Today that too, it is Thursday, not even Friday or Saturday. Today only so many people are there. Chamundeshwari normally in general this will be crowded. It is like one of the main spot in Mysore. Okay, where did Sajan go? It attracts a lot of tourist people. So people who ever come to visit the temple also see this stalls and all, and they do purchase. Me myself, if I would have had a lot of money, I would have purchased myself whatever I see, but then unfortunately that's why it is not there. We almost reached the temple, and temple premises inside this one is not allowed. Camera is not allowed, so I'll be putting this in this bag to be in a safer side. And look at the crowd, man. Oh my god, it is too crowded. When I thought I'm coming to Mysore, I didn't know that I'll be coming here. So, namdu mugittu. We are done with Chamundeshwari Hills. So that was the exit gate what you saw. So we are going out of Chamundeshwari Hills. So on the way there is one viewpoint, an excellent viewpoint. From there you can see the whole of Mysore.
Sir, pineapple kuda, mango pineapple.
Huh? Sorry, thank you. So the binocular view anta. From here you can check the binocular. From here almost entire city will be seen. You see in Bear also it will be seen, but from there you can even see the this one what palace and all. From here palace is not seen. It is very far. Like from there I can see only the flag was hoisting, so that flag was waving. Only that flag I could have seen. So yeah, this is the viewpoint. In sunrise sunset gottagutta. Sunrise gottagutta, the sunsets gottagutta. Houda? Okay. So yep, done. This is the underwater aquarium. We'll be coming first. We'll have food and then come. Look at the price. It's 149 for children and adults, 200 rupees. I hope it will be worth. எதாரும் ஒரு இடத்துல சாப்பிட்றல சஜன், அந்த இடத்துல சாப்பிட்றலாமா? சாப்பிட்டு வந்து போய்க்கலாம் சஜன். ஃபுட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஆமாம், ரொம்ப அதிகம் இல்லை. பட் for lunch we went to one place, but there were no meals. So and then we searched in Google and also in YouTube. So there is one place called as Hotel Hanumantha, one of the famous hotel. So we have come here to Hotel Hanumantha's, original since 1930. Oh my. So this place, when we checked in YouTube, so this place was pretty famous, and then we asked one person which is the famous biryani shop. Even he told this place is famous biryani shop, Hotel Hanumantha, since 1930. So we'll go inside, we'll log the food, we'll see how it is. This is the famous Hanumantha mutton pulav. எப்படி இருக்கு சார்? நார்மல், டிஃப்ரெண்ட்.
Pieces well cooked. Pieces are well cooked.
Yeah.
Rice is not up. Masala.
This is like light flavored rice it is. Not much of masala, like what you get it in Hoskote biryani and all. The rice is very much minimal flavored it is, but it is good. Pieces are too good. So yeah. So guys, behind me you can see the famous Hanumantha biryani. Honestly, review helbekagidre nanu gottirashtu, my point of it was not that great. It is not even biryani, it is called as palav. So if you call it as pulav, it is okay. Pulav andre okay anta helbodu ashte. Biryani anta helidre adenu ashtenu chennagilla. That is my honest review. Even how did you like it? But it was not as much as what you expected.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it was not. We are here in Ranganathitu, on the way to Ranganathitu, the bird sanctuary. So about 2 kilometers to go, bro. Ranganathitu. Oh, already ಬಂದಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, bird ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. We have a checkpoint here. Up. Yo. Entering Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary. Hope there are many birds which have been migrated from other countries and other places and have come here. Okay, hey Ranganathitu. Okay, yeah. First, this is the bird sanctuary. First, we'll enter into the Salim Ali Information Center. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟು. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆಗೋಣ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಟು ಲೀವ್ ಯರ್ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. Ranganathitu, located in the immediate vicinity of the famous historical town of Srirangapatna, occupies a prominent position in the bird map of India. It boasts a great variety of abundance. Okay. Name, okay, well, let's try this. Name the tallest bird of the world. Sarus crane. Okay, Sarus crane. What is the estimated population of Asian elephant in Karnataka? He has come last week, that's why he knows everything. If not, he wouldn't have. World Wetland Day celebrated. Oh my god. Wildlife Week is celebrated during the first week of... I know. Because my birthday is on October. Chumma by mistake only I clicked, but still it happens. Which Indian state has the highest population of tiger census? Wrong. I think this one is older one, I guess, but I don't know. Which is the community reserve in Karnataka? Nagarule. Illa Ranganathitu. Kokkurveleva. Okay. Which is the community reserve in, I guess. Okay. Which is the state bird of Karnataka? Indian roller, bro. For sure. Which is the state animal? Tiger. There is only two. Asian elephant iralla. Oh, okay. Asian elephant is the state animal of Karnataka. Wildlife sanctuaries in how many wildlife park and wildlife sanctuaries are there in Karnataka? I think yeah, 5. Okay. So these are the information centers. You can read a lot about different kinds of birds. Okay. I know it is boring, but okay, these are the main birds which will be seen every day normally. Okay. This is not a bird. Huh? Yeah, it is on. Eagle. It's okay. So yeah. So you know what? It's enough. अभी हम जाएंगे, देखेंगे और बात करेंगे. Okay? Done. So for entry it is 75 rupees and for boating it is 100 rupees. So it is 350 rupees for 2 person. Includes entry and the boating. And I have a doubt, what if only boating is there, no entry? I ನಮ್ಗೆ ವೆರಿ ಬೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಾದ್ರೇ ಬೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಸೊ ರಂಗನತಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಚುರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲೂ 100% ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್. Asked the security guy, he told now it is not a season. The season is between December to May. That is the time where a lot many birds from different countries, different places, it comes here to hatch or to lay eggs. Now it is not a proper season, he said. There are nearly 10 varieties of birds, he said. See, one bird is... Oh, sorry. One bird is running, but it is not flying. So... yeah, and one more thing, this is located in 40 acres. It is in bank of Kaveri. In a bank of Kaveri, this as a okay, this is right from Srirangapatna. It is of 10 kilometers, but this is it comes under Mandya District. Okay. So much of information I've gathered. This was established in 1940. 1940, yeah, correct, 1940. So see, you can see park is also there, peaceful. So if you want to just come to play park, all those things, gather, go around and all, then it is of only 75 rupees. But if you want to come, do boating and then see, it is 100 rupees for boating. So it is 170 rupees for... Huh?
Unseasonal boating is 100.
Then?
It is seasonal, it will depend on...
Hey, it will be the same.
Who told?
You think they'll change?
Yeah, then what? Boating handle here used to be 150, 200, 300.
Yeah, bro.
That was the previous ticket counter.
Then that is too much.
You will have the...
Yeah, it will be worth, I guess. Yeah, correct.
You pay more, they'll take you to... They'll have a trip around like 15 to 20 minutes more.
No? Now it is of 20 minutes.
This is common.
20 minutes.
This will hardly be 10 minutes, 10 to 15. Max to max.
We are asking them to make for at least 20 minutes. 20 minutes ಅಲ್ಲ 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್. So actually, you know what? Actually, we had this one between Mysore Palace and this. For me, from morning, I'm going only to these kind of like some places. I need one nature drive, one nature pulling scene. So that's the reason why I selected this place. And you can see crocodiles are here. ನೋಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಕ್ರೊಕಡೈಲ್ ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ರಾಕಾ ಕ್ರೊಕಡೈಲ್ ಅದು ನೀವೇನು ಹೆವಿ ರೈಮಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದು ರಾಕು ಅಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ಕ್ರಾಕು ಓಕೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೋಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೇಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ 100 rupees ಇರುತ್ತೆ
100 rupees ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಥ ಸೀಸನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬೋಟ್ 2000 ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಓಕೆ ಅದೇನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬೋಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ
4 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ
ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಜನ
ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದು 4 ಜನ
ಓಕೆ
ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗಲೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬೋಟು
ಸಿಗೋದು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ
ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸೀಸನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಬರೀ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಟು ಮೇ ಸೀಸನ್
ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಟು ಮೇ ಜಾನ್ ಟೈಪ್
ಓಕೆ ಈಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಲೈಫ್ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ಈಗ
ಒಂದು 4 to 5 ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ
ಒಬ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ 4 to 5 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ 10 to 11 ವೆರೈಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಬೋಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 10 to 15 ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್
ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಮರದಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಓಕೆ
ಅವಾಗ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು
ಹೋಗೋ
ಕೌಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ
Okay, first we have to wear the life jacket. You know what, one more thing I'll tell you, if you fall in this, though you have a life jacket, it is very difficult for you to come out because a lot many crocodiles are there. And idರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು crocodiles ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 100 ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಲೈಫ್ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಬಿದ್ದೋದ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೊಕಡೈಲ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೊಕಡೈಲ್
ನೋಡ್ತವ್ರೆ ಪಾಪ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 100 crocodiles here. The story. So that story, what you know. So we were all going in boat. 15 people were going in one boat. All of a sudden, a crocodile jumps and catches a bird. So the moment it catches the bird, the whole family flips. Some say my auntie and everyone say so sad of the bird, like it has come from other country to this country to lay eggs, and it is getting eaten by the crocodile. And some of them say crocodile is also a living being. It also needs food. So whatever it does is also correct. So it is like that day, the old day, the trip was so good, but we were tripping on that bad one of the best experiment because it was very close. It was right next to us. That is like, I don't think anyone can not most of the people can experience it. So that was a very good experience we had. So yeah, dude, this is the boat. ನಾವು ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮ್ಮನಿ ಮುಸಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ರೊಕಡೈಲ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ವಾಡ ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ಕಡೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕ ವ್ಯೂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ದಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು okay they have to give this pamphlet what they call it as brochure. Okay, they give a brochure kind. So in this brochure you'll have information about the sanctuary, important flora and fauna, and the blueprint, like the island and all, how much it is there. Okay, and also amenities. including Ranganathitu historical perspectives, okay, all these things. So, and it's time to go.
Video person. So this is a different.
Black ibis. Okay, they say there is one crocodile. They say there is one crocodile. Let's spot the crocodile. Crocodiles. Scales are seen.
Where is the crocodile?
There. Left side. He has to go front. Look at the birds. How many birds are there? So let the birds go aside. You can see one monster. Okay, you shouldn't call it as a monster. One good, this one, crocodile. Hey, I'm gonna change funny. Hey, kai. See, it is opening its eyes. Whenever any. Okay, I don't know what to say. Eagle. One more boat.
Dali water.
Listen. So boating mugittu. Now
One by one.
all back to their lands.
One by one.
So hey guys, so we are finally done with all the trip. We started early morning. We went to the Srirangapatna. We're still in Srirangapatna. We finished Srirangapatna and then went to Mysore. Again came back to Srirangapatna. We covered this Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary. Excellent bird sanctuary. You have to come here. This is like presence of mind. Very calm it was. Like nature drive it was. Like I wanted to come into a nature drive this one. So all the starting whatever I did was like all proper places I covered. That all was a tourist kind of place. But at the end, the finishing is in this nature drive photography and nature drive this one spot. It's amazing, excellent, beautiful. You have to come and experience. This is located right near Srirangapatna. It comes under Mandya District. It's of 40 acres. This was established in 1940. So you have to come and do visit it. But then the month you have to come and see it is from May to December. May to December is the proper month. That is during monsoon or winter. A lot many birds. Nearly there are 170 species of birds which comes here. But now what we saw was very less. Maybe some 4 to 5 species I guess. That's all. So anyways, had fun. Very good. Mysore Palace I'll be covering. Like I wanted to very badly go on this October during Dasara because only then the proper this one will be. So I wanted to cover that time. So the rest of the videos will be coming soon. Stay tuned. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Sudhir Vlogs. Thank you for supporting and see ya. Bye bye. Thank you.